Hello to you once again. Welcome back to the channel.
And I think to myself, what a wonderful.
Come on in, come do subscribe. Today we're doing a fun old vid, a bit of a food vid. I'm gonna do the tiny food challenge. Mark Ferris did this and I thought it was really funny. I liked watching it. So I'm just gonna eat tiny food all day. Okay, ignore Alfie's weird music, but for first, like when you come down in the morning, you have a cup of tea and you have a juice, don't you? So I've got a tiny smoothie. Moom had a smoothie this morning, so I saved a little bit, put it in a shot glass. I've got my tiny teapot. This was the smallest mug I could find. Like, it is quite small, to be honest, like. And then I'm gonna have pancakes. I've made my mix with Nutella. Wait for it. My tiny pan! I'm waiting for Faye to get excited. With a tiny banana. I told Jack for like days and days, I was like, don't eat my last tiny banana. Don't eat my last tiny banana. He was like, I want to make a milkshake. And I was like, it's for the tiny food video, babe. I'm sorry, Faye, that you're not as creative as me to think of the tiny foods. So let's make some panks. Doing so well for me. I've got my little pancake, but Faye's had a bit of a mare.
It exploded. Didn't go very well, really.
Mine looks so cute though, my little station. My banana, my Nutella, my tiny pancake. It's such a good way to make a pancake. They cook so quick. You probably need like 10 more of them though. And then there we go. It's already cold though, so that's a bit sad. My little bank ball. Oh my gosh, look how good and cute these look. I'm so proud of myself. It's such a good idea making tiny pancakes because they cook so quickly, but they also go cold really quickly. So this one might be cold. Banging. Some of them are quite thick and dense, but I'm here for it. Honestly, I'd eat this every day and just tell myself it's the tiny food challenge. Of course you can eat Nutella and pancakes. It's alright, I went to the gym this morning, so. Boom. See you at lunchtime. Hello, it's me again. I broke my tripod. So you're resting on a bowl. Here I am, ready for lunch. The one bad thing about eating tiny food is that I'm hungry. Like, I've got to eat a lot of tiny food to not be hungry. So for lunch, I'm gonna have like a little cooked brunchy thingy-mabob. I cut a little Linda McCartney sausage in half, so I've got two little, because I know you can get cocktail sausages, like normal sausages, but I don't eat meat, so we went for that. I'm just gonna use beans because beans are small. I've got some avo. Let me grab my bread. I got a tiny loaf of bread so that I could have some avo toast. I cut up some little cherry tomatoes. They're like, And then the pièce de resistance, honey. Quail's eggs. So I'm gonna have a little fried quail egg. I don't really like fried eggs. Should have really thought about that. And I can use my tiny pan again and have a little cooked breakfast. I'm gonna put my sausages in. Okay, Google, set a timer for like 10 minutes.
Sure, 10 minutes, and that's starting now.
Thanks.
Side note, if you have an early morning tomorrow, just say, set an alarm for 7 a.m.
Okay, I'm gonna have some squash, but I need to have a tiny glass. So, do I have to have a shot glass again, or can I have just a little cup? I'm just gonna have it's a small cup. I can't get over how small these little eggs are. Like, that's my thumb. They're so tiny. The yolks are massive compared to the whites. They like filled the whole thing. I'm a bit scared to fry it though. Like, hopefully it works. This is why I hate filming my hob, because it just doesn't look very aesthetically pleasing, does it? Like my room's all nice and white, but our hob is like black and you can see all the grease. I don't know if that's hot enough to cook eggs yet. I'm so bad at fried eggs. It's so hot in here as well. All my eye makeup has come off. I'm so warm. I chose the wrong day to do like a cooking video. Right, I'm just gonna go in with it. Look at my tiny fried eggs! Yay! I'm so proud of myself. Just gotta do my toast and I'm done. There we go. Look at that. It's actually just gonna be delicious and that's all I have to say. I just need ketchup and there we go. A tiny little cooked breakfast with my avo, my tomatoes, beans, sausages and the tiny eggs. I'm actually so proud of them. They look banging and the yolks still look like runny. So boom, there we go. Got my tiny squash. And there, I'm delighted. It's like 3 o'clock, so this is gonna fill me up till dinner, I hope. Okay, so for dinner, we're all having a little din-dins outside. We're all having tacos, so I made tiny ones because that's just hella cute, isn't it? So I'm gonna stuff my little taco. Scoop out some, what's this called? Mince? Chili, that's the word. Get some in there. I don't know why I'm explaining how to eat a taco, but you know. Some sour cream, whatever it's called. Alfie's favourite, avocado. Sorry about the yapping dog. Ta-da! Cheers, Faye. I'm literally the best chef ever. Boom. I fancy seeing you here, Faye. Back in the kitchen.
Crazy!
Funny that. Hi. How full are you of dinner?
Oh,
He's
to the
pretty full.
brim.
I'm pretty full. Above my tiny tacos. I had to eat like 10 to be full. Now, for the pièce de resistance, honey. The pudding. Like, my idea was like, oh, what can I make small? And then I was like, profiteroles. Boom, I can make them small. But they're just sort of normal size. I'm not going to do that. So I made profiteroles earlier whilst I was making tea. I think they might be slightly raw still. But you know, we move. And then I completely forgot to film and I filled them already. But we can chocolate them together. And it'll be so much fun. And then we can talk to Faye at the same time because Faye's favourite thing is the vlog.
Yes, that's true.
Like, he wakes up in the morning, he goes, Lily, I love the vlog so much. It's not the stupidest thing ever. And I just love it. I made some chocolate sauce. It's very delicious. I'll leave the recipe down below. Because this was a good recipe. I'm very pleased with the outcome. Well, unless they're raw, but I didn't really follow the instructions because I thought they were going to be smaller, then they weren't, so these are actually looking pretty good. Ooh! I'll take up Moomy Ailing one and she'll be like, wow, thank you for this beautiful gift of a raw profiterole. Ta-da! The finale. Look how good they look. I'm sorry, but I'm a pro. Wow. Hey, can you put that chili in the fridge?
Yeah.
Like, oh, I'm sorry, but I'm just a freaking pro. Let me tidy up, take all the Insta pics, the thumbnail pics, and then we'll do a taste test. Okay, we're gonna try to lean you here, up against my window. Sorry if you can hear the fish tank or the road. It's too hot to not have my window open, and I'm not even sorry about it. I'm full for my din-dins. I tidied up downstairs. I just thought, you know, I'm gonna come to bed and eat my profiterole upstairs. Here she is. I'm not really feeling it, so I just grabbed one. Oh, she's a bit sticky at the bottom. Boom. Look how good that looks. With all the cream. It needs more chocolate sauce on it. Other than that, absolutely beautiful. I've thoroughly enjoyed my day of eating tiny foods. I'm sorry if it's been a bit of a weird video, but I saw Mark Ferris do it and I just thought that looked so much fun. So I'll put his video down below. His was much better than this. It was really funny. I do hope you enjoyed this video. I'd love it if you subscribed, come back and join the fam. I post twice a week. I'm gonna get back into it, I promise. I just went away with my man because obviously we hadn't seen each other in like 4 or 5 months. We just wanted some us time. But I am back and I am ready to smash twice a week, every week. I hope you have the best day ever. And I'll see you next time. Bye.